right? Now, frequently in news channel or in newspaper or in any of the discussion, you may have heard this kind of statement or you may have read this kind of statement, right? What is this? This is called price rise. This is called price rise. So when there is price rise, we call it inflation. Generally, we call it inflation. Whenever there is any kind of price rise, that is called inflation. That means inflation means rise in price. That is the general saying. But in the sense of economics, mere price rise does not mean inflation. सिर्फ और सिर्फ कोई भी एकल दोक्कल प्रोडक्ट में प्राइस इंक्रीज होती है तो उसको इन्फ्लेशन नहीं बोलते। इकोनॉमिक्स की लैंग्वेज में इन्फ्लेशन का मतलब होता है rise in price should be general. That means in majority of the sectors, price rise should be there, right? In majority of the sectors, price rise should be there. There are three sectors, and in almost all these three sectors, if there is price rise, that is considered as the इन्फ्लेशन। सो इन्फ्लेशन डज नॉट मीन्स के एक दो प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस बढ़ जाती है तो उसको इन्फ्लेशन बोल सकते हैं, नहीं, उसको इन्फ्लेशन नहीं, उसको सिर्फ नॉर्मल ऑर्डिनरी प्राइस राइज बोल सकते हैं, राइट? बट इकोनॉमिक्स की सेंस में इन्फ्लेशन का मीनिंग कुछ अलग होता है, राइट? ओनली एंड ओनली simple price rise does not mean inflation. But there are different three economists who has given the definition. Out of all those three, first we will be discussing about the definition of Dr. A.P. Lerner. We'll be discussing about the definition of Dr. A.P. Lerner. Now, what A.P. Lerner says, a situation of excess demand over supply of goods is called inflation. ये स्टेटमेंट को आखिर तक पकड़ के रखना, ये स्टेटमेंट को आखिर तक पकड़ के रखना, क्योंकि ये स्टेटमेंट के ऊपर से ही पूरा टॉपिक निकला हुआ है। अगेन, a situation of excess of demand over supply of goods is called inflation. Whenever the demand of goods is more in compared to supply. Example is masks. At present, there is a scarcity of masks, but against that there is demand which is constantly increasing, right? The companies, manufacturers and the many service sector companies who wants to again start their operations are demanding all this masks in the bulk quantity, in the lakhs of quantity. But against that there is low supply, and this excessive demand and low supply shows the imbalance between demand and supply. Demand is excessive, supply is less. Due to that, scarcity is created, and due to scarcity, people try to purchase the goods even after paying more, right? So a situation of excess demand over supply of goods is called inflation. આનો મતલબ એવો થાય કે માર્કેટમાં જ્યારે પણ કોઈ પણ ગુડ્સની ડિમાન્ડ વધારે હોય અને એની સામે એનો સપ્લાય ઓછો હોય તો લોકો વધારે પે કરીને પણ એ પરચેસ કરવા માટે રેડી થઈ જશે, and that will be considered as the inflation. એને ઇન્ફ્લેશન કહેવાય, right? This is the definition of Dr. A.P. Lerner. Secondly, Dr. A.C. Pigo. A.C. Pigo શું કહે છે આના માટે? A.C. Pigo એવું કહે છે, when the monetary income rises faster in compared to real income. Remember, we understood two topics, real income and monetary income, right? This topic is not in depth here. You just remember, inflation is said to occur when monetary income rises faster than the real income. When monetary income rises faster than the real income, that is considered as the inflation. So first, excess of demand over supply, and second, monetary income greater than real income. And third meaning, Dr. J.M. Keynes, right? As per the J.M. Keynes, the real situation of inflation is created with increase in money income. Same thing, with increase in money income beyond the level of the full employment of factor of production. Now, to make this topic understand, remember the words, the real situation of inflation. If you are having textbook, you can read it in your textbook also. The real situation of inflation is created with increase in money income beyond the level of the full employment of factors of production. Now this means what?